Welcome. Today we're diving into the absolute #1 financial planning tip that could change everything if you're struggling financially. We're testing the 50/30/20 budget. If you're feeling broke, drowning in debt, or just can't seem to catch a break financially, you are not alone. Financial planning might seem overwhelming, but it's a crucial step toward taking control. It's easy to feel stressed when you're juggling bills and expenses or working multiple jobs just to get by. Those feelings of hopelessness and confusion are real. Millions of people are in the same boat. Financial struggles can affect anyone, regardless of income or background. It's common to feel like you're the only one, but help is here. You might be thinking, I don't know where my money is going, but I'm not making enough. The first step is acknowledging the problem and finding a clear way forward. It's easy to feel stuck in a never-ending cycle of financial stress and debt. You've tried different budgeting tricks, but nothing seems to stick. There's a way to break free. The key is finding a simple yet effective way to manage your finances and start building a better future. That's exactly what our #1 financial planning tip provides. The #1 financial planning tip we are testing is the 50/30/20 budget rule. It's a simple framework that can help prioritize your spending immediately. The 50/30/20 budget means allocating 50% of your income for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for saving and debt repayment. Let's look closer at each category. The largest portion, 50%, goes towards necessary expenses. Think rent or mortgage payments, utilities, and groceries. These are the essentials you can't live without. The 30% is for discretionary spending, things you want, like entertainment or hobbies. The crucial 20% is set aside for savings and tackling debt repayment. Ready to implement this tip? The first steps are critical for success. You need to get an accurate picture of your current financial situation. Start by tracking every single transaction, no matter how small. Use a notebook or a financial app. This is the hard truth, but knowing where your money goes is step 1. Next, categorize your expenses into needs, wants, and savings. Be brutally honest with yourself about what is truly a necessity versus a desire. This clarity is invaluable. This categorization will highlight where you need to cut back. Making tough decisions about where to reduce spending is necessary to successfully allocate resources according to the 50/30/20 rule. The most impactful part of this tip is the discipline it requires. This framework gives you the structure to be disciplined with your money. By prioritizing your spending and sticking to the plan, you'll be amazed at how quickly your financial situation begins to change. You'll start seeing real progress. This new discipline brings empowerment. You'll feel more in control, more confident, and much more capable of handling any financial challenge that comes your way. So, to recap, the 50/30/20 budget is a powerful tool. It's simple, actionable, and designed to work, even when you feel completely broke. Remember, 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for saving and debt repayment. Prioritize, plan, and execute. As you implement this framework, you will notice you are able to save more, spend less, and actively reduce your debt. This positive change is incredibly motivating. If you try this tip or have your own budgeting experiences, leave a comment below. And for more financial insights, check out my video on 5 simple ways to save money on a tight budget.